I am going to start quadratic equations. At first, listen what is quadratic equations. Quadratic equations are those which in the form ax square plus bx plus c not equal to 0 and a not equal to 0 means coefficient of x square must be present, then they are quadratic. In this question, it is given that check whether the followings are quadratic equations or not. So, first question, x plus 1 whole square equal to 2 into x minus 3. In this question, at first we break the brackets and formula to form a equation. First, x plus 1 whole square. So, what formula it creates? A plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So, x square plus 1 square equal to 1, 2 into x into 1, that is 2x. And in this side, 2x minus 6. Now, 2x cancel. So, what remains? X square plus 1 plus 6, that is x square plus 7 equal to 0. Here, coefficient of x square, that is a, is 1. So, yes, it is a quadratic equation. Since it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and a not equal to 0. So, first question is finished and listen the second, and all of the student understood. Now go to the question number 2. X square minus 2x equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Then x square minus 2x and break the bracket, minus 2 into 3 minus 6, minus 2 into minus x, minus minus plus and 2x. So all the terms bring to left hand side. X square minus 2x, that is minus 4x, and minus 6 will go to left hand side, which becomes plus 6 equal to 0. In this question also, a, that is coefficient of x square, is 1. So it is yes, it is a quadratic equation. Since it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and a not equal to 0. Then another question. Listen carefully. X minus 2 whole square into x minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Now multiply the two factors. X square, x into 1 x minus 2 into x minus 2x minus plus minus 2. Then x into x square, x into 3 3x minus 1 into x minus plus minus 1 into 3 3. Now x square cancel. What remains? X minus 2x, what will be? Minus x and minus 2. Then 3x minus x, 2x minus 3. Now all the terms bring to left hand side. Minus x minus 2x, that is minus 3x, minus 2 plus 3, that is 1 equal to 0. It can be written also in this type, 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square, that is a, is disappeared. So due to absence of a, it is not a quadratic equation. No, it is not a quadratic equation. Since it is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now go to the next question. Listen carefully. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 equal to x into x plus 5. Now break up the bracket, that is product of the two factors. X into 2x square, x into 1 x minus 3 into 2x minus 6x and minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 3. Now x square plus 5x. Same type, 2x square minus 5x minus 3, because x and 6x, which is greater? 6x is greater. So before 6x there is minus sign, so you put a minus sign. Minus plus minus, so minus 6x minus is 5x. Then minus 3 x square plus 5x. Now bring all the terms in left hand side. 2x square minus x square. What becomes x square? Minus 5x minus 5x, that is minus 10x, and minus 3 equal to 0. In this equation also, coefficient of x square, that is a, is 1. So yes, it is a quadratic equation since it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A not equal to 0. Understood all? Then come to the question number 5. 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. Now product the factors. 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into minus 3 minus 6x, minus 1 into x minus s, minus minus plus 1 into 3, 3. Now in this side, x into x, x square, x into minus 1 minus x, 5 into x, 5x, and 5 into minus 1 minus 5. Now 2x square minus minus plus. So sign will be minus because 6x is greater and the sign before the greater digit will become here. So minus 7x minus plus 3 and x square plus 4x minus 5 because 5 is greater and before 5 there is plus sign, plus minus minus, so 5x minus x 4x. Now all the terms go to left hand side. 2x square minus x square minus 7x minus 4x, that is 11x, plus 3 plus 5 equal to 8 equal to 0. Equation is completed. Now look the equation. Is the a, that is coefficient of x square, is present or not? It is present because coefficient of x square is 1. So yes, it is a quadratic equation since it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and a not equal to 0. Now come to the next question. This is x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole square. Left hand side is right, x square plus 3x plus 1, nothing is to be done, and in right hand side a minus b whole square, this formula creates. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, x square 2 square, that is 4, minus 2 into x into 2, 4x. Now again x square cancel. What remains? 3x plus 1 equal to 4 minus 4x. Now minus 4x will go to left hand side. Then 3x plus 4 is 7x and plus 1 minus 3 will minus 3 equal to 0. Here also coefficient of x square disappear, means cancel. So no, it is not a quadratic equation since it is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now okay, understood all? I am going to explain question number 7. Listen all. X plus 2 whole cube equal to 2x into x square minus 1. In this question, another formula comes. A plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So x cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into x into 2 into x plus 2. And in RHS only break up the bracket. 2x cube minus 2x into 1, 2x. Okay. Now x cube, 2 cube, that is 8. 3 into x into 2 into x. So 6x square. And then plus plus plus. 3 into x into 2 into 2 becomes 12x. Now in this side 2x cube minus 2x. Now all the terms come to left hand side. X cube minus 2x cube plus 6 square plus 12x plus 2x plus 8 equal to 0. Now 2x cube is greater, so before 2x cube there is minus sign. So you put here minus sign, minus plus minus, that is x cube. Then 6x square, then 14x because 12x plus 2x 14x, and plus 8 equal to 0. Now it can be written also, all the sign will be changed because first sign, cube sign, will be positive. It will be easy to clear. X cube minus 6x square minus 14x minus 8 equal to 0. So no, it is not a quadratic equation because this power is 3 cube. So it is a cubic equation, not a quadratic equation. Since it is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now another question, that is question number 8. S cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole cube. Now x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. Again formula a minus b whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So you break up in this type. X cube minus 2 to the power cube minus 3 into x into 2 into x minus 2. So s cube cancel. What remains? Minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to minus 8 minus 3 into x into 2 into x. What will be? 6x square, and minus minus plus, so 3 into x into 2 into 2, 12x. Okay, proceed. Minus 4x square, this minus 6x square will be here plus 6x square minus x, this will be minus 12x plus 1 and plus 8 equal to 0. All the terms are now present in left hand side. Now 6x square minus 4x square, what will be? 2x square, and minus 13x because both signs are negative, so negative sign. Main thing, the sign before the greater digit will put here. So minus plus, so 13x plus 9 equal to 0. So yes, it is a quadratic equation because a, that is coefficient of x square, is 2 here. Since it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and a not equal to 0. So question number 1 is finished. Okay.